have our lovely guest Victoria, who is getting ready to get her adjustment, getting ready to go back to school. Okay, how's your neck feeling right now? Good? Ticklish? Yep, okay, I can see that. Let me just push a little bit into your spine here. Is this tickle too? A little bit? Oh my god. We got a ticklish pressure here, folks.
Ooh.
There you go. Good.
Oh.
There you go. Just breathe out. There you go. Good.
Oh.
Just relax. I got you. That's better. Relax here. Drop your shoulder. There we go. Relax, relax. I got you. Relax. There you go. Good. There we go. Good. How you feeling? Okay? All right, good. So there it is, y'all. A real quick adjustment before back to school.